if I wanted short hair, that's how I would rock it. That's really how I would rock it. Everything that they do to their hair, I vibe with. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And I want to say a hello to all my newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, let me fill you in on the deets then. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second. Honey, we do not keep tabs around here. We really don't. I just want my subbies and my newbies to come on in. Okay, so today we have a little quickie. I want you guys to relax. We're just going to chit chat just a little bit and just compare notes and just have a little bit of fun. Just a little bit of fun. Now, you guys know, well, those who are part of the collective and have been here for a little bit, you guys know that I did a video a while back where I talked about hair inspiration. Well, this time around, I figure we would do a little variation of that. Now, you guys hear people talking about spirit animals. Oh, she's my spirit animal. Oh, he's my spirit animal, this and that. And for those who aren't familiar with that phrase, it basically means that this particular person, for whatever reason, maybe their style, maybe the way they talk, maybe the way they wear their hair, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, hint, hint. But it's something that you can relate to. It's something that you either admire or can relate to. Basically, you guys are on the same vibe. You basically look at them and say, hey, I would have done that. Or yeah, that seems like something I would do or wear or say or yada, yada, yada. So I got to thinking, because sometimes I do that, and a light bulb moment went off and I said, hey, why don't we do what I'm going to do? Basically, I guess the hair equivalent to that. I'm going to go down my little list of people whose hair I feel akin to. Not that I'm aspiring to have my hair look like theirs, but when I see them wear their hair, I admire the way they rock their styles or rock their hair. Simple enough? Okay, so we're just going to jump right into it. Just relax and have a little chit chat. It's okay to talk about hair now and again. So if you're ready, let's go. Now, I broke it up into 5 categories: natural, relaxed, curly, short, and color. So I'm going to start off with natural. Now, obviously, I am relaxed, but when I see these 2 natural gals, they're my hair spirit animals. Now, I'm kind of tweaking the term because it doesn't really flow off the tongue, hair spirit animal, but you get my gist. They are definitely my hair mood. Now, my first choice for natural. Now, when I say natural, these girls, it appears that they do not have a chemical straightener like a relaxer. Number 1 is Tiana Paris. Not only is she a cutie pie, but I love the way she wears her hair. Now, for all those who may not be familiar, Tiana Paris is an actress. She's an actor. She's been in If Beale Street Could Talk. She also played in, I believe, Chirac by Spike Lee. And for all those Marvel heads out there, like me, she played a character on WandaVision. I think it was Monica Bambeau. So she gets around. She's a well-known actress and very talented. And I love the way she wears her hair. She wears it big. She's not scared of styling it. It always seems thick and full and healthy. And she's very creative. She's very creative with the styles. I've seen her do a whole bunch that just complement not only her hair, but her hair with her face. I don't know who's doing her hair, but they are doing the daggone thing. I love it. Every time I see her hair, I'm like, yo, that's what I would do. Yo, I rocks with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I see it and I love it. So she's number 1. Not that there's any particular order, but she's the first one that I think of as far as naturals that are my hair spirit animals. Let's just say hair vibe. Hair vibe. So Tiana Paris, and also Issa Rae. I mean, Issa Rae, for those who are not familiar, she had a show on HBO that just ended, which was called Insecure, which was a take on her web series here on YouTube called Awkward Black Girl. Yes, she's that girl. Anyway, so along with rocking her natural hair, I love the color of it. It's like this mahogany, it's like this bright mahogany brown, and it's beautiful. I love the way that she styles it, or whoever styles her hair. I love the way that it's styled. Again, just like Tiana, they don't sort of stay in the pocket with it. They don't stay within the box with it. They like to be creative with their styles. And with Issa Rae, for me, she always hits it out the park. Not only on the show, but when I see her, do her little promos or other pictures that I may see of her, she's definitely my hair mood, my hair vibe when it comes to natural. Because if I were natural, I would rock it like either of these girls, as far as style, as far as color, and just rocking it out. Okay, so moving right along, the next category is relaxed. I know a little bit about that. This one should be no surprise because she was one of my hair's still is my hair inspiration for relaxed hair. She is my hair vibe. And this is none other than Oprah. Oprah. Everybody knows who she is. And if you don't know, I'm scared. I'm scared for you. Media mogul Oprah. Again, what more can I say about her hair? It's always healthy. It's thick. She wears it nice and full. I love the layers in her hair. It always looks healthy. It's always on point. Her hair is absolutely beautiful. It really is. She is in the 4s, so for a 4C, 4B girl, I don't know exactly what she is, but she's in the 4s. She is definitely, for anyone who questions wearing a relaxer, we always get pinned with having emaciated hair, or when you have relaxed hair, your hair is flat and it can't do this or it looks this way. All they have to do is look at Oprah. Oprah's hair is absolutely beautiful. So not only is she my inspiration, but she is my whole hair vibe. And she's not scared to put it in a protective style. I mean, if you follow her on Instagram, she'll put it up in braids. She'll, put a wig on it. Of course, she wears wigs from time to time and little faux, But her hair, that hair on her head, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, next up. See, we're going right through this list, but I'm kind of having fun. I kind of like this. Next up is the curly category. Little curly cues and little, you know what I'm saying. So for this, I also have two people. Now, I didn't plan it this way, but I have two people that instantly popped into my head when I thought of this category. Number one, for me, is Tracee Ellis Ross. The child, daughter, offspring of the fabulous diva Diana Ross. Tracee Ellis Ross is the bomb. Not only do I vibe with her as far as her personality, because her personality is just about everything. It really is. I love her sense of humor. She seems like someone I would hang out with and we would be very simpatico. I really vibe with her personality, with her public personality. So it's no surprise that I also like her hair. I mean, her hair is everywhere, as far as it being big and bold and fluffy and curly, and it's just, I love the way she rocks it. Again, she's very versatile as well, and it's just so big. Are we following a theme here? Big seems to be the operative word. I love big hair. I really do. And Tracee Ellis Ross, when she blows it out and she really fluffs it, combs it, whatever, and she wears it big and just fluffy, amazing. And she has a hairline too. So, I haven't really checked it out because I don't have curly hair. I think it caters to natural/curly hair. But I'm very happy for her line. It seems to be doing well. I think it's called Pattern. But I love her hair. I love her hair. I love her personality. She is just the bee's knees to me. Now, this other chica on my list is Khalees. And for all those who are maybe not familiar, Khalees is a singer. And for all those hip hop heads, she used to be married to Nas. Okay. But she is an artist in her own right. She had a couple of popular songs. And when I say that I think her little curls, when she wears her hair curly, it is the absolutely cutest thing ever. I mean, she can wear it big, she can wear it wet and curly, and it's just the cutest thing. And she's not afraid of color. I mean, she has had pink hair, she's had, I want to say blue and green and probably a lot of colors. But she is not afraid of color. Not afraid of color at all. And I love that. I love people who like to be bold with their hair and try different things. Because, I just recently tried a little something for myself as far as color. And I'm still adjusting. So I'll update you guys on that. But it's not about me. We're talking about my list. So Khalees, I love her little curlies. I love her curls. So these two, Tracee Ellis Ross and Khalees, they are on my list of hair vibes as far as curly hair vibes under that category. Now, next up, we're going to talk about short hair because I've never had short hair. Now, when I say short hair, I'm sort of referring to shorter than a bob because I've had shoulder length hair. Well, I just came from shoulder length hair. So, I mean, a little shorter than that. So like a pixie cut, something like that, something where you can really, really shorten. So if that's what we're talking about, I got to go with the poster girl for pixie haircuts. And that, for me, would be Halle Berry. Now, Halle Berry has had many variations on a short haircut since she's been around. We know she's an actress. We know that she has produced movies, and she was Storm in X-Men. And we like that. And anybody who has seen my previous video, I know you get the reference. So, Halle Berry, I got to put her on the list. She can rock that pixie cut. It fits her pretty face because she had it in a long bob for a while, then she had it longer and this and that. But now it's back to not the pixie because it's a little longer in the front. So it's almost like a rocked out pixie. You know what I mean? So I have to put her on the list. She can rock that short haircut and it just complements her face effortlessly. I think big hair suits Tracee, as well as short hair suits Halle. That's just my opinion. That's just my... Now, did I say I had a second person for this one? Because I do. I do have... two is the magic number for this list. Because I got two right here. So besides Halle Berry, I have to go with Eva Pigford. Now, if her name does not ring a bell, she is most known for being the winner of America's Next Top Model. This was years and years and years ago. So I don't know what season it was, but it was early on in the season. So maybe season 2 or something like that. Y'all can correct me down below. She was one of the early winners of that particular show, which was hosted by Tyra Banks. As well as of recent, she was on The Real Housewives of Atlanta. Now she's not on there now, but about 2 seasons ago, I believe she was on there. Now, right now, I think she's rocking locks. But honey, when she cuts that hair short and lays that down, it is absolutely beautiful because when she wears it, it's almost like it's a little shorter than a pixie, I would say, because it's very, very short. I mean, she really wears it almost like a laid down Caesar. It's a very tight haircut. And I believe she also does use color on her hair. And it just complements her face. It complements her face. It complements the shape of her face. And she can rock that haircut. She can really turn it out. So these two ladies, Halle Berry and Eva Pigford, they are my short-haired spirit animals. My short-haired hair vibe, everything that they do to their hair, I vibe with. So last but not least, I only have one person on this list so far. I'm not saying that there aren't others, but again, when I thought of this particular category, I immediately thought of her. She is a hip hop icon who not only put ladies first and cautioned people about the wrath of her madness, but she has spun all that and managed to segue into being a well-known, well-versed, multi-hyphenate, which includes acting. I am speaking of no other than Queen Latifah. She is a monster as far as talent. She can sing, she can rap, she can act. I mean, what can't she do? And on top of all that, her hair is absolutely, I believe she's natural, okay? That's just the word on the hair streets. I believe she is natural. But on top of being natural, her hair is an absolutely gorgeous shade of, I want to say it's a high golden brown. And it varies a little bit. It looks like there's a little bit of red to it and so forth, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And her hair always looks good. It always looks good. I know when she had a TV show, her talk show, and I mean, you know, I love good ends. I love fresh ends. I just love when hair is just hairing. And her hair was hairing. Whoever does her hair, they are on point. During her show, her hair was always flowing and going. Again, she's a natural. So whoever is flat ironing her hair and getting it nice and pressed and doing the silk presses and putting in that color and making sure that her hair is healthy and it's just flowing and going, kudos to y'all, or kudos to you. Because her hair is absolutely beautiful and I love that color. It complements her skin tone. I've already told you guys that if I were natural, I would experiment more with color. But of course, being that I'm relaxed, I already have a chemical in my hair. I don't want to do too much. You know, we just grew it back. So we're not trying to lose it again or do anything crazy. So when I say that Latifah is my color hair vibe, my color hair mood, she absolutely is. Her hair always looks nice. So I had to mention the Queen Latifah. I had to mention Queen Latifah when it comes to color because I love it. I love it. Every time I see her hair, my eyes light up and I'm just like, you know what? Yeah, you doing that. You doing that, sis. I'm vibing with you. We here. I am feeling it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, for those who are wondering, well, you didn't say long. I didn't really think of anybody with long hair. I couldn't really think of anyone off the top of the dome. And plus, a lot of people wear hair pieces. So I didn't want to get into who's wearing their real hair and how long it is and who really has long hair and all like that. I didn't really want to get into it. So I'm just going to stick to those 5 categories and maybe we'll come back to it. You know, maybe we'll come back and include long. But for right now, that's what we're doing. This particular list, this is a compilation of people that I just vibe with. Their hairstyles, hair selections, hair choices for their hair. I'm with it. I'm with it. And when I see it, it makes me smile. When I see it, I'm just like, yeah. I would have done the same thing. We thinking the same. We simpatico. But I just wanted to come in here and just be a little, you know, laid back today, just a little, and just have a little hair talk. You know, sometimes it's good just to cleanse the palate and just have a little hair talk and not really, you know, take it easy. So if you guys are ready, collect your pocketbooks. Everybody, don't leave anything underneath your seat. We're gonna get up out of here. Okay, we're about to go. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out. Okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. I need y'all to come on back. We're going to be talking about some more stuff. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.